So we've shown a few AI-focused things, and I'm curious if you've been playing with AI at all on your own.
Have I been playing with AI?
Yeah.
No, but I know AI plays with me, if I'm being honest.
Okay, well, our next sneak actually is built using a lot of AI, and the team that built it uses AI for research with all these customer conversations that they have. And so I'm hoping that we can have Paolo here explain a little bit about his process. Paolo?
Hey, Eric, Eliza.
Where's your robe? We all agreed to come out in robes.
No robe tonight.
No robe, all right.
I'm ready to go.
Just said no.
Thank you.
No, thank you, all right.
Sounds good. All right, so yeah, Eric, on your point, we work with many marketing teams and we learn what they need. Then we use AI tools to ideate and build solutions that didn't exist before, like Project Page Turner. We partnered with Vitamix on that, and I'm gonna show you what it is. So, you know how websites work today. Everybody gets the same page. Marketing teams build audience-based variants, but it takes time, and they're limited to the audiences they imagine. What if every page imagined itself for an audience of one? With Project Page Turner, websites become personal. So I'm going to show you how Vitamix can deliver individual browsing experiences in real time. So someone is looking for a blender, and they ask, I'm a personal trainer, and I need a blender that can handle making 15, 20 protein shakes a day for my clients. Curious how models compare for heavy daily use. Cleanup speed matters a lot. This page doesn't exist for this user yet. Ready to go? 3,
Let's
2,
go.
1,
Find
go!
this client that drinks 20 protein shakes a day.
Powerful blender for high-volume protein shakes, quick self-cleaning routine, perfect protein shake, top Vitamix blender for heavy daily use and fast cleanup, quick protein shake recipes. This is all Vitamix content, product pages, real recipes, all assembled under 1 second.
Woo!
Didn't this feel faster than many websites?
Yeah. Awesome, Paolo.
Now we have to prove this was not scripted, right? So I need a little bit of help, Eliza.
Okay,
You want to help?
I do. I flew
Thanks.
here to help you.
So if you can come here, please,
have to
for
get
1
up?
second. Yeah, very quickly. No? Yeah, just very quickly. So we're going to quickly cook something, right?
Okay.
I'm Italian. I love gelato.
Oh, is that what that is? I was trying to guess.
Exactly.
Okay. Thought he was like Swedish. Okay.
So I love gelato, stracciatella, pistachio. That's what I love. What about you? What
flavor gelato?
What's your favorite thing you would like to make with a blender? If you can type it in for
A
me.
diverse community. Thank you so much. Vote for me. Favorite thing to make with a blender? Okay, and you can't, what? Oh, okay, we weren't doing crowd work, but these alkies in the back said margaritas.
Okay.
I think he wanted to hear like soup or something.
Okay.
Can I put extra ingredients? I don't want to say margaritas. Can
Yeah,
I
go
say
ahead.
margarita? I want a low calorie. Please
Yeah.
write this down. Spicy, skinny.
Okay.
What else do we want?
That's it. I think we're fine.
That's it? Okay.
It's gonna be too much.
He's like, that is peak white woman. I'm like, I want it skinny but fun.
So maybe one more thing.
One more? Oh.
Yeah, while you do it,
Cherry.
you want low noise, high power, big capacity.
No, I want a loud blender.
Loud
I want it
blender?
to shake the house and upset everyone because I'm making a margarita. Very loud, very
Okay.
bloody.
Very loud is enough.
He's Italian. He wants to make love. How long were you standing here in the dark before we threw to you earlier?
Hours. It felt hours.
Okay. Okay.
So I added compare the best blenders. So we're ready to go.
Okay.
Right? Okay. So we want to deliver the page for you. Ready?
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Come on, loud.
Spicy low-calorie
Whoa!
margaritas made
Woo!
easy. Key features for Asian X5. That's your model, Asian X5. You can pick up other models, but that was your page. No more clicking around, your content right away. How does it feel?
It felt great because I get lost on websites and I like that it's delivered right to me with a very cute Italian accent. Do you come with this software? Can I like have you narrate it? Can I pick that? No?
Thank you.
Okay, thank you. Grazie. Woo.
Grazie a te. All right, so let's try to move on.
Good luck
Good
trying.
idea.
That's what my ex said. Keep trying.
All right, so next thing. So this was with a query, but most people don't query prompts on website, they just browse. So this is what we're gonna do. So let me open the backend so we can see what's happening behind the scenes. And watch, let's start from a fresh session. So the user lands on the Asian X series landing page, and then they start browsing X4 model, and then they look for another model, X5, and then they're interested in some recipes. So maybe, for example, soups.
That's what I was gonna say.
And then also smoothies. And you see on the right that signals are piling up, and the profile is becoming more and more clear. And then the user asks, kids' recipes. All right,
Make the best kids.
let's go. You saw the confidence jumped. Now the system sees a parent who's looking for premium blenders and wants kid-friendly recipes. And watch, the system just injected a generated experience into the page, turned the Asian X series into a kids' meal powerhouse.
Yeah,
So, let's
amazing,
go.
Paolo. That is cool, buddy.
V Premium kids recipes, and that's the page. Kids love it, parents trust it, the right content at the right time for the right user. This is how websites will look in the future.
Woo!
Yeah.
So it's like a personal shopper built into a web page.
It is.
Yeah.
It is, yeah, very personal. Okay, last thing. This is what visitor sees, but let me show you what the marketer sees. The system is learning from every interaction. For example, it knows that recipe cards score high for health-conscious visitors and lower for gift buyers. It's building a content performance matrix, which content works for whom in real time. But there's more. Since the system is generating a page for every intent, it knows exactly where your content falls short. So competitor comparisons, noise level comparisons, these are all surfacing opportunities. And then it prioritizes opportunities. Enhance baby food content, add gift registry integration. Your content roadmap is built by your own visitors. This is Project Page Turner. It generates the experience, it learns what works, and it tells you what to improve. And that's Sneak 3.
Woo! All right, I like that.
Right, that's a good one, right?
It's making your customers work for you.
Yeah, right. Then we don't have to work so hard. Let the customer do the hard work. I love it.
That's right. Fuck the customer. Let
So
them
vote
do
for
the
Sneak
work.
3 for Paolo. Thank you, Paolo.
Thank you.